Hello and welcome to Anytime eLearning. In this video, I will show you how to create and grade assignments in Blackboard. The assignment feature on Blackboard allows you to receive both individual and group student work and grade them in the Grade Center. This tool is great for essay-type assignments. By creating an assignment tool in Blackboard, you're essentially creating a button for students to click on and attach their work. This resembles email functionality in many ways, but sophisticated learning management systems such as Blackboard compile all students' attachments and automate the process of sharing the feedback and grades. Before you create an assignment on Blackboard, decide where you want to store it and then enable your students easy access to that location. I recommend creating a separate content area on the student menu. For more on this, please view my Customizing Blackboard Navigation menu instructional video. To create an assignment on Blackboard, click on the content area that was previously designed to host all the assignments. From the Assessment menu, select the Assignment option. Name the assignment and type in or copy and paste instructions. You may attach some files or set up the due date. You must enter the maximum points possible for this assignment. If you use a percentage to letter grading scheme, enter 100, just a number without a percentage sign. On the other hand, if you're using a point system for grading, you should enter the maximum point value for this assignment. It is important not to conflate these two grading systems. As this video covers the basics of creating assignments, I will now go over the associated rubrics item. Open Submission Details, and under Assignment Type, select Individual Submission. Number of attempts specifies how many versions of that assignment you allow your students to upload. By default, it is set to a single attempt, but you may change that to multiple or unlimited attempts. Checking the boxes under Plagiarism Tools will automatically generate a plagiarism report for each submission using the Save Assign tool. Next, open Display of Grades. As you may recall, we set the maximum number of points in one of the previous steps by entering a numerical value. Here, Blackboard offers to convert that number into a letter, text, percentage, or a complete incomplete display. If you're using a percentage grading scheme in your course, you may want to set the primary grade display as percentage and secondary as letter. By default, this assignment will be automatically included in the Grade Center unless you uncheck the box before Include in Grade Center Calculations. After you grade the assignment, each student will be able to see their own grade in the My Grades tool unless you uncheck this box. By default, the link to the assignment is available to students unless you uncheck this box. You also have an option to set up the timer that will enable student access to the assignment in the future. If you use this feature, make sure that the assignment is available before you set up the timer to limit that availability. If you decide to track a number of views, Blackboard will give you the number of students in your class who have clicked on the assignment link, but you will not be able to see the students' names in the Track Number of Views report. Once you finish setting up the assignment parameters, click on the Submit button. Now let's discuss grading. After your students submit the assignment, you will be able to view all the submissions in the Grade Center. There are two ways to access student submissions. First, from the Grade Center tab, select Needs Grading. Then click on the student's name from the list. The second way to access the student submission is to click on the Full Grade Center. While creating the assignment in the previous step, we specified that Blackboard automatically creates the corresponding column in the Grade Center. In the Full Grade Center table, locate the column that matches your assignment by scrolling through the table using the scroll bars or the keyboard arrows. after each student submits their assignment. Blackboard will give you a notification that the submission is ready for grading. In the Full Grade Center, look out for a yellow circle with an exclamation mark in it, as this symbol signifies that there is a submission ready for grading. Hover your mouse over that symbol and click on the chevron next to it. And then click on the attempt from the drop-down menu to view the submission. Whether you choose Needs Grading or Full Grade Center, you will land on the same page where you can preview the student's submission in the browser or download the submission on your computer. You may annotate the submission by using the annotation tools at the top of the preview page. Once you're ready to grade the submission, click on the white box on the top and enter the numerical value based on the maximum number of points that you set while creating the assignment. You may also leave the global comments in this box. Once you're done, click Submit. Happy grading and thank you for watching.